Like cerebri, where it starts to invaginate, you can see it in there. Here you can see cranial nerve 1, 2, optic chiasma, pituitary gland, and cranial nerve 5, this big stump. Cranial nerve 11 is not really here. I can see the pieces of it. Okay, now let's look inside. Here you can see the gyri, right, the bumps. And the ridges are in between. Sorry, the grooves are in between, and so those are called sulci. One is the sulcus. Here you can see the corpus callosum on top, the fornix on the bottom. Here's the lateral ventricle. This is that third ventricle you were talking about.
And the fourth ventricle is down there.
Yeah, this is the thalamus. This is the hypothalamus. Pituitary gland, and the optic chiasma is right here. Superior and inferior colliculi. This little groove that should run right here, let me show you, is a cerebral aqueduct, and it flows into the fourth ventricle. Arbor vitae, that's the cerebellum, and the vermis of the cerebellum, of course, is that middle ridge that kind of got chewed up. Your brain was actually better. Theirs was too congealed, so everything kind of blended in. There you can see what is left of the pineal gland, right there, right? Pineal. See how you can see the distinction between the superior and inferior colliculi?
Mm-hmm, the color.
And you can see the cerebral aqueduct.
Back to flow, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So your brain was actually better. There's the pineal gland. Okay, optic chiasma, pituitary gland.
Switching the whole time. Thank you.
One bump, pons, second bump, medulla,
spinal cord.
and that's the central canal.
Who has a good brain so I can take the picture?
This one's a good brain.
Really?
Yeah. That's a much better brain. But you can look over
I
here.
can't send emails from. Well, I don't know if it's gonna allow me to. I can try.
Here's a really
Well,
good brain.
Can you put it in your computer and then?
You guys,
I don't have the cord.
if you want this brain, this one's good too.
Can you